Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change motion smoothness in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 to make our phone look better, but our battery will lose a little bit of time life on our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To change motion smoothness, we will go to display, and here motion smoothness as of now is set as standard. As you can see, our smoothness is not very smooth, so let's make it look a little bit better. Now it's 60 FPS, 60 Hertz. Let's change it to adaptive, and it looks much better, but at the cost of our battery usage, as you can see in this little description. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.